How to remove WhatsApp call link. So in this video, I will show you step by step on how to do it. Make sure to watch the video to the end. First of all, open up your WhatsApp. After you open up your WhatsApp, all you have to do just tap on this call section. So in this call section, all you have to do just tap on this create call link. So if you tap on this create call link, as you can see now, by default, so WhatsApp will create a group link for video call for you. So now maybe you just take the link and you share it with your members of team, and they are expecting you to make a group video call like in a scheduled time, and you just decided just to change the time. So all you have to do, just in order for you just to delete the link, all you have to do just go back to the group that you sent and inform your members that you just schedule or you just adjust the schedule time for the group, so they should just notify that it is not time for them to use the link. So the next option is just to delete the link that you sent if it was not copied by someone. So if you just go back to the group and use delete the message that you sent, so now no one can be able now to see the message by, or you have already deleted the message. So for now, there is no any official place or official option for you to delete a WhatsApp link that you have created on WhatsApp. So you can follow up these two steps to delete your WhatsApp link. So after you just inform them, so you can come and create another one and send it to them. That's it, guys, on how to fix this issue. If this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, guys.